Behind me is a 2025 BMW M5 Touring. Let me show you. Let's start with the back. So much space.
Hi, how are you? Good. I'm gonna put you in this one here. Okay. Okay, good.